First, welcome back to the channel, and thank you for watching today's video. In this tutorial, you will learn how to enable the ruler in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. The ruler is a very useful tool that helps you adjust margins, align text, and organize your document more accurately. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Next, look at the top area of the screen where you can see different tabs such as Home, Insert, and Design. Then, click on the View tab in the dashboard menu. After that, look for the option called Ruler inside the Show section. Next, make a check mark in the small box next to Ruler. Once you enable it, the ruler will immediately appear at the top side of your document page. You can now use the ruler to adjust paragraph indentation, margins, tabs, and text alignment more easily while working on your document. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.